All right, here we go. Second flight with the Yak-11.
Yeah, you ready for this then?
No, I'm not.
Oh, I'll be fine.
Okay.
Okay, taxiing out. You can see me now.
Indeed.
Okay,
Are
so
we...
I'll do a countdown on 3 and then I'll start to go.
All right, gentle throttle up. And we're pointed in the right. I'm pointed in the right direction. Let's have a look.
Yeah.
Looks good.
Yeah.
I'm paranoid about going
Yeah,
towards the edge of the
us.
strip.
So I've got no flaps and it'll be very little throttle takeoff. So I'll count down from 3.
No flaps. Yeah. Okay.
Alright,
Good.
3, 2, 1, go. Gear up.
That was pretty good.
Okay, turning now.
Yeah, we're behind the frame. Oh, I see. A little dot.
Right, I'll be very low throttle so you can catch up. Looking good, looking like you're quite close. 3, 2, 1, turn.
Whoa.
Right, that come down the strip.
Interestingly, it's better in the side window than full on. Sorry if I'm getting in your way.
That's right, I'll power up. You're going slightly ahead of me. I'm right below you. See me now?
Yes, roger that.
Okay,
See you.
3,
Roger.
2, 1, turn.
1 minute.
Right, I'm going to try and catch up with you.
Where are you? Front, back?
I'm trying to catch up. I'm just turning now. You should see me. I should hopefully be just in front of you.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
All right. Let's try.
Half throttle. Looking good.
On my nose.
3, 2, 1, turn. Looking good. Right, levelling out.
Oh, the only annoying bit is when you disappear behind the frame and the transparent plastic either side the frame, bar the hoop causes a problem with vision. But I'm certainly doing so much better than the first flight.
Good. So we're both coming down the runway. Our speed looks quite good. Should still be just in front of you, I think. Yeah, looking good. 3, 2, 1, turn. Three, 2, 1, turn. Looking really nice. 3, 2, 1, turn.
I lost you because you were on my left, but no problem.
You should see me in a sec, I think. I'm still
Gotcha.
Alright.
The beauty is we're flying around at about half throttle, so long flights.
You can just power up as well to catch up. 3, 2, 1, turn.
I do need that higher rate of... Oh, I don't know how where you were there, sorry.
That's all right. You're fine. You're slightly ahead of me. I'm just going to overtake you.
What's that? I'm
Right,
turning.
okay,
Oh, I
turn.
see you turn.
Yeah, okay. I'll do a nice shallow turn.
Oh my God,
That
beautiful.
Look good.
4 minutes.
3, 2, 1, turn.
Can we do some half flap flying? So
Yeah.
on the downward leg this time, let's put half flap down.
Okay. Right, 3, 2, 1, turn.
We'll do,
As soon as I'm level, I'm going to drop in half flap. Okay, half flap.
roger that, done that.
Just coming off the throttle a bit now. About third throttle, just seeing what it feels like. Looks like you've got, caught me. 3,
Nearly,
2,
nearly.
1,
Beauty.
turn. Might do a nice slow turn. I
Oh.
think you've turned just before
Yeah,
me.
sorry,
No,
sorry.
That's alright, I'll try and cut in on the inside.
Do that.
So I'm just going onto the strip.
5 minutes.
I see you. It's amazing how quickly you separate in the distance.
3, 2,
Gone underneath
1,
me again.
turn. So I'm doing quite flat wide turns because of the speed. Looks like you're slightly above me. You're ahead of me now, so I'll just put a bit of power on and get past you. Okay, 3, 2, 1, turn.
I'll make this the last circuit, I think.
Yeah. Alright, I'll do gear down then as we go
Just
past.
do gear down on this pass. 3, 2, 1 down.
Yeah. Right,
Oh, I nearly stalled there. Oh, I caught that.
3, 2, 1, turn. So you're ahead of me.
No problem. We're going to go further out. My approach will be longer.
Okay, so I'm coming in just before you, yeah?
Yeah, you go. You take lead.
Okay, so I'm turning in now, so I've turned in before you. Okay. Final approach.
Looking good.
Yeah, looking good. As you are, keep going. Pull up now. You're down.
Oh, amazing. Well, that was so much better than the...
Just practice, isn't it?
Oh, that was so good.
It's like you fly a lot with Finn, so you two obviously got a bit more...
Communication.
Yeah. So, but yeah, that was good.
You make sure we don't collide on the ground. I don't know where I can't see you.
I'm behind you. Down on avoid you.
Oh my God.
A bit more relaxing that time?
A bit, but the concentration level. That's the thing. More than when you fly line of sight. Oh my God, the concentration level is like 200% when you're flying FPV like that.
Is that because you're trying to keep up with it? If you were
Yeah.
just flying solo, would it be more relaxing?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you know what?
And I'm worried about colliding as well, because it's so interesting when you fall behind, you use speed to catch up. You're worried about, and then you have to kind of ease into the position
Yes.
rather than, because otherwise you will fly over. If you fly over, I have absolutely no idea where you are.
Yeah.
That's the key thing. You don't want to collide. It feels like you're in the cockpit.
Oh, it does.
You're
The
risking
view.
your life doing this.
I tell the view would make you think you're in there, isn't it? Really, really realistic
it's
view.
so immersive. Oh, crazy, crazy good. The most important thing is, like, when I turn my head 90 degrees, the camera is only turning 90 degrees and I really need it to turn a lot quicker.
more.
I think I need to update the firmware that's in the gimbal, and maybe that'll start working. But there you go.
Yeah, well done.
Thank you.
We lived to
We live again.
Tell another tale.
Yes. So enjoyed that. I love doing this, and we'll try it again with this, and then move on to whatever the next
Turbine.
aeroplane is. Turbine. It's got to be done, but I don't think I would.
reckon they're a couple of pulse jets FPV.
Where do you finish?
Yeah.
Where do you end? I don't know. I think the problem flying FPV of a turbine jet, seriously, is I don't think a good idea. And because legally you have to fly the FPV airplane within visual line of sight of your spotter,
Yeah.
which we've got behind us, incidentally. And with a turbine jet, honestly, you're out of sight within a couple of seconds. If we could fly beyond visual line of sight, no problem. And they travel so much quicker. You'll turn almost.
Less time for air, isn't it?
You got to do a pass, and then you'd be turning. You'd just be turning the whole time. So
Yeah.
we could do it with the system in there and you wearing it, but me flying line of sight. I think that would be an amazing experience. But I don't think flying turbines FPV is doable. Not big ones anyway.
You might be able to do it buddy box actually, couldn't you? That would be another
Maybe.
alternative. Yeah, that might be the next step.
Possibly. Yeah.
Oh well.
We'll look into these
Watch
things.
this space.
We'll progress with these things. I would love to do it in a turbine jet, but it's about doing these things safely and sensibly when you're doing it.
Yep.
Yeah. Okay, thanks for watching. See you next time.
Adios.
Bye.